What up, my brothers and sisters? Back to frequencies. Another problem I have with like skywatchers is they'll say one of these chemtrails or like one of these clouds over like the sky is like a piece of a planet or something, right? Because they're odd looking clouds. And as far as like scale and size, if it's over your state, how come I can't see it from my state? I can see the sun, I can see the moon. If we're talking planet-sized objects, we're talking a massive size. Therefore, I should be able to see the same thing that you're seeing at the same time, right? I can see the moon. Can you? I'm sure you can. I can see the sun. Can you? I'm sure you can. That's because they're so massive and so far away that we'll be able to see them at the same time. Now, if people are saying, these sky watchers, that a piece of a planet is as close as they say it is, and that it's like literally right there in the sky, and that it's one of the clouds, how come I can't see it at the same time? That's because my thesis is based off of frequencies, the frequencies through the sky. Allow me to give an example. You're always going to see the same shapes, the same rings, circles, stretchy clouds. You're always going to see the same thing because of the frequencies in the sky. This would explain why you're always going to see the same shapes. Okay? Allow me to explain. Here's a speaker that produces music or sound. This is a simple box with a bong hose, and they fills it up with water. Out comes the water, play the sound. Thus you have shapes. Meow, 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 right? There's your clouds. Look at the water droplets. They're like floating. Or they appear to be floating. See the shapes? Now, when he turns it off, it's just simply water. Because the water should be just pouring straight down, like that. When he turns it on, uh-oh, there's your shapes. Shapes, no shapes, shapes, no shapes. Does this make sense? I can produce the same clouds in the sky with smoke from my mouth in my room. That's because there's a frequency being emitted. When it stops, there you have it. Uh-oh, there you have it. It's pretty interesting, isn't it? This stuff goes through your body. It exists everywhere at all times, from the sky to the ground. It's probably most likely the Schumann resonance, but I've yet to prove that. Just saying.